is a guide to using Thoughtboxes. It is a free site. Like a lot of other sites, you can upgrade for more opportunities in terms of collaboration and sharing. It's only $3 a month, which might be something to consider just to make the process a little bit easier. The way I collaborate with students at the moment is that I allow them access to the same account and we all log in together. So these are some things that I used the site for last year. We were analysing a scene, students were given different elements to look at, and so they all added different boxes on the different elements and then wrote about them underneath using quotes and keynotes. This was all taken while we were discussing the scene as a class. So a couple of students went up to use the computer at the front and added in all the notes that they could make from the discussions that we were having. It's really straightforward to use, and I'm just going to show you now how to use it. Students will probably find it useful to set up their own account and start making notes within it for revision and things like that. So I'm just going to call this a test, and I'm going to click create. So this is an example. It kind of shows you how to use the boxes on the front page. So if you want to just follow those instructions, that would work. So I'm just going to click on add a box in the top right hand corner. I'm just going to call it test 1. You can change the colour of different boxes, so they could colour code different bits of their notes. As you hover over the box, you can see that it says type of thought underneath. And I can just keep going like that, making notes throughout a lesson or throughout watching a video or a presentation, and the students will then end up with lots of different boxes of different colours around the page with their notes. So you could actually ask them to set up their boxes in advance if you know what topics will be covered during the lesson. And if it is a very taught session, the students could make notes on the different areas. They could make notes at home when they're revising or covering the topic. They could look through their notes and decide to make their notes on this. I think the software is really easy to use. It's just straightforward, really simple. So for just simple notes in different columns, different areas, I think it works really well. Okay, good luck.